I had an accident on my way to my farm. It was on 31st October. I returned from a trip, which I then decided to pay a visit to the farm and see what is happening. So as I was going with my motorbike, I carried some goods along. As a farmer, I carried my pig feed and some medications along, and I took them to the farm. So I journeyed about, the journey in terms of time, it was about 1 hour 40 minutes that I used to get to the farm. So when I got there, I did everything, and the feed was also shortened. So what the feed was getting finished, I had to mix the feed and then return. So I did the mixing, did everything I could, and ensured that I have feed sufficient enough for the whole of that week available. So after mixing, I decided to leave the farm also around the same day, the evening. So around 5:30, I left the place. And as I was riding to where I am currently, that's where there's electricity for me to do these videos I am doing with you here. As I was coming on my way, there was some small hole around, some small hole that was created by erosion. Okay, because the road is not a tarred road, it was just leveled with the gravels and other things, so not tarred roads. So as I was coming the night, I didn't, as night, there was no light on the street also. So as I was just moving, the front tire got into the hole. The hole was not that big, like a hand this way cannot even enter the hole, cannot fit the hole. The hole is too small. I don't know what happened. Once the front tire got there, it got deflated at once. The back tire also got there, got deflated at once. So both front and back tires got deflated. And there was also I was also riding at 40 kilometers per hour. So quickly I was brought down. I tried my best to at least control the motorbike. It was dragging me, so I had to just give up and fall with the motorbike. So as I'm talking to you, you can even see that you see some bruises here. This is it. Understand? This is the sore toe I have, and I have one also on my knee. Okay, the same thing like accident. So I had to be taken to the hospital. I couldn't ride the motor anymore. The motor was even spoiled, so I left the motor in the same town and got a different person to ride me with his own motorbike to a nearby clinic. I got my wounds dressed, and thank God I'm now recovering and I'm responding to treatment small. Yeah, it's my own motorbike, and since I acquired the motorbike, this is the first time it has put me on the floor. And not to say that I've never had an accident with the motorbikes. I've had accidents with motorbikes, but not mine. So currently, this is the 17th time I have had a motor accident. 17th time. But the funny thing is that this is the actual accident that got me to the ground and got me injured. For the 16th, I always jump before the motor gets to the ground. But this, like I said, I didn't just know what to do about it, but to go down with the motorbike, and I had my knee drag on the ground, my arm, and then bruises. Yes, but it's fortunate that you don't always notice it on the channel, because I make videos in advance. So when I'm not well or I'm not healthy enough, I still have videos available for you. That's one of the reasons why sometimes you see the videos are pumping up anywhere and anytime. It's all due to the fact that I have videos pre-recorded and they pop up as scheduled on the channel. Okay, so this is just an update. I just wanted to share with you that even though my videos are showing up, I myself is struggling with getting a healing, as my knee and my arm here all got injured, and I have to sit home and ensure that I get better. And like I said, please, if you're also riding, just take care of yourself. Make sure you wear your helmet. It very helps a lot, because I wore the helmet, and aside that, nothing happened to me. It's only the right side of my body that got injured, but the left side, nothing happened to me. My head, nothing happened to my head. Okay, so you need to also always ensure you have your helmet put on, safety first. So these are some of the risks that I take on a regular basis, because I'm not permanent and stationed on the farm. From time I go to visit them, ensure that things are moving well. And when things are also moving well, they can give me a call and I have to rush there. Okay, that is one of the major reasons why I bought this motorbike, because where the farm is located, if no motorbike, you cannot be going there frequently and also with a lot of convenience. You need to go to the station. One thing that even pissed me off and made me get this motorbike was that there was a time I was trying to get to the village and then to check on these animals. I went to the station to pick a car, and I sat in the car. The car was about 5-seater car like that. So I went there, the third person. So we were only waiting for 2 people to join us. And we waited for 1 hour. Nobody was joining us because it's a remote area. Nobody was joining us. To the extent that I had to even top it up with some money that I'm buying the empty seats because I want to go and come back quickly. I'm buying the empty seats, which I did. Okay, so that thing pissed me off, and it made me know that no, if I want to keep doing this, I wouldn't be able to take care of this my small farm effectively. So I had to sacrifice some of the animals to get this motorbike. And in fact, ever since I got the motorbike, I've never regretted it at all. It has helped me in a number of ways. Okay, sometimes like my mom she doesn't always alert me on time. And the moment she will even give you a call, it is gotten to the worst stage of it, so you have to rush. Like the day I got this accident, she just called me that the feed is finished, and she wouldn't even get some for them the next morning. You see, so that was why I had to just rush quickly and go and come back. And I can't also go to stay there because I have a lot to also do in town and I come here. So that is also the importance of it. You have to pay the price. By paying the price, this is my price of it, the injury. There's nothing, if you don't take risk, you don't get anything in return. So this is the risk I took, and I got injured, but my pigs got fed. And as I'm talking to you, they are still eating, and hopefully they will bring me some money at the end of it, which I can use to treat myself. And I appreciate you for your support. You have always done a lot for me on this channel. One thing that makes me happy is that this channel, people that know me very, very well, like they know me in person, are not up to 20%. If you think this might not be true, you can let me know. If you know me in person, just let me know. Just some few people that know me in person. And I'm glad that I don't also announce my channel to my friends and also my family. So I'm not sure if a family member knows of this channel. That's why I can always be myself, come here, talk what I need to share with you. Okay. And one thing I've also come to realize is that even with that, people who know you in person, they will not come here to watch the video. They will rather come to you in your house. Once they know that this is what you're into, they will rather come to you in your house or come to sit with you to get one-on-one with you like that. But this, like I said, this is a digital platform. And once I share mine in Ghana here, somebody outside US, Canada, those who know that this is what people also practicing in this part of the world. And that is the main focus of the channel. And the thing is that if I share it here, years to come, it will still be available on the channel for people to come and watch. But assuming I just sat with you, shared my experiences with you, you got up and went, that's why it ended there. But having the opportunity to share digitally with you, everybody at all can access it, provided you have interest in pig farming and livestock farming and what I do as a person. You get that information here. And it's also a way for me to document my journey and also leave some digital footprint. Once I know more, people will still have access to me. Okay, this was the guy who was, you understand it. At least they have a video of me, a picture of me. They can look at it and then imagine what I was doing and how I was like. You understand? So those are all things that makes me happy that I've been able to actually overcome my fear, start this channel to share my journey with you. People do tell me that why don't you go other way around, it should be broad enough. No, I want to be known for something very specific, pig farming. I want to just be known in that angle. So it doesn't matter the subscriber count. I don't really chase subscribers like that. The only thing is the only few people that watch this video and are able to have and are able to use it to solve some minor problems on their farm. I'm okay with it. Okay, people come and say I posted my video and it just got 2 views. I got discouraged and I stopped. That was where I stopped posting videos on YouTube. Me, when I post, I don't really care about the views I get. Once I post, I forget about it. The fact is that, like I said, most of the videos are pre-recorded. So those are pre-recorded and scheduled already. So I don't even remember some of what I said in the videos. So once they pop up, I'm just somewhere also doing other things. I don't even know what is happening. And it's a nice experience part that I'm having, I must tell you, because except I don't have internet connection, anywhere I am, I can quickly log into my YouTube channel, share a video, and then read and respond to comments, share any updates that is happening, no matter where I am. If only I have internet connectivity, everything is smooth for me. And that's one thing I like about this digital world. I'm getting to connect with an amazing person like you, because I know and I believe personally that one-on-one, you don't know me, but you are here connecting with me because of the videos. So I really appreciate you and appreciate your support, and particularly those of you who come back to watch the videos. and leaving your comment below. I'm very much grateful. And like I said, if you know me in person, just comment below that I know Francis, I know you in person. We met here, and maybe I might recall. But to my knowledge, my close ones are not on this channel. It's only people I have never met before and amazing ones like you.